4
This is a professional high-power array laser flashlight with a fixed multi-beam non-focus design. The laser lens does not support zoom adjustment. An optional external focus cap provides a fixed focal distance from 20 cm to 50 cm for targeted beam gathering. 2 versions are available. The device is equipped with an intelligent temperature control protection system. At a room temperature of 24 degrees Celsius, the standard version supports full power output for about 1 minute before reaching 55 degrees Celsius and triggering automatic shutdown protection. The enhanced heat dissipation version greatly extends full power working time to around 6 minutes. This laser flashlight supports complete multi-mode button control. Hold the switch for 4 seconds to unlock the child lock and turn on the laser, and hold continuously for stepless dimming. Short press to adjust brightness by levels, and double-click to instantly activate maximum power output. Short press plus long press triggers the 28-second non-cancelable SOS emergency survival signal. Triple click to shut down manually. The indicator light provides accurate status reminder. Steady red light indicates low battery automatic shutdown, and 4 red flashes mean thermal protection is activated.